as the skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the darkened night to myself. What a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow so pretty.